friends, it's me again, Miss Haley, and I would love to draw a story for you today. And in this story, I was feeling, that's right, I was feeling scared. I wonder, what was making Miss Haley feel so scared? You want to find out? Okay. To begin my story, I need to draw a straight horizontal line across my paper. There we are. Now, is this where I draw my picture? No, silly Miss Haley. I draw my picture above my line. And below my line is where I will write my simple sentence. So in Miss Haley's story, I was feeling so scared. And before I tell you what made me feel so scared, I need to tell you some important details. One important detail of my story is I was inside my house. So to draw my house, I'm going to do a big straight line down, a straight line across, and right here where I left off, now I'm going to do a big straight line down. I made a shape. What shape did I make? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 straight lines. A square. You're right. I made a giant square for my house. So I, Miss Haley, was inside my house. And remember, I was feeling scared. So I need to draw me, Miss Haley, inside my house. What shape is my head again? A circle. So I'm gonna draw a circle head. Oh, I heard it, an oval body. What else am I missing? Arms. And my arms, I'm gonna say for last, with my face. So I need my legs though, right? How many legs? 2. 1, 2. And I'm not going to draw my feet because that's not what is important in my story. What is important is how I was feeling, where I am, and what made me feel so scared. So next, I'm going to draw my eyes. I'm going to do one eye like that, and one eye like that. And in my story, I'll give you a clue. I was looking down at something. So I'm going to draw my eyes looking down at something here. Important details about Miss Haley. Do I have curly hair or straight hair? I have straight, long, brown hair, and that's black. There is my straight, long, brown hair. And in this story, I'm gonna put my eyebrows because when I'm feeling scared, my eyebrows go up. So I'm gonna draw my eyebrows up like that. And my eyes are green. I'm gonna add a little bit of green to my eyes, which are looking down at what made me feel scared. So one night, It was a stormy, stormy, stormy night, and it was raining. I'm doing blue simple dots all around my house because it was a stormy, rainy night. And I was sitting on my couch, hanging out, watching some TV, and I heard something. I turned off my TV and I felt scared. I did not know what was making this scary sound. And again, what was the weather like? Stormy. It was stormy and dark outside. And I heard a noise. So I turned off my TV and I listened. I followed the sound, even though I was feeling scared. And the sound was coming from my front door. What was on the other side of my front door? Should we find out? So again, who is this? Me, Miss Haley. M-E, me, with an arrow down. And where was I in this story? That's right, inside my house on a stormy, dark night. And I was watching TV and I heard a sound like this. My arms went up like this, up to my face. I turned off my TV and I went to the door. I listened quietly. I felt so scared, but I needed to know what was making that sound. I took a deep breath like this, and I opened my door. And guess what I saw? I need to draw it. This was an animal. What kind of animal scratches? Maybe a bear? Maybe a bird? No. Should we find out? So, as I opened the door, I found something with a head, a body, 4 legs, a tail, 2 pointy ears, 2 eyes, a little nose, and whiskers. It was a cat. And the cat, when I opened the door, said, meow. The kitty was outside in the dark, stormy night. I wonder, why do you guys think the cat was scratching at my door? Maybe he was wet. Maybe he was cold. Maybe he was hungry. But is that my cat? No. Could I let him in? No. Because I have my dog Diesel who would bark at him. So, should we talk about my story again? Okay, I need your help, please. And I forgot to add my mouth. My mouth is going to be open because I was feeling not only scared, but surprised to see that it was a cat making that noise. So remember, who was this person? Me, Miss Haley. And where was I? Inside my house on a dark, stormy night. And how was I feeling in my story? First, I was scared because I was watching TV, but I heard a noise. And what noise did I hear? That's right, a scratching. So I turned off my TV. I went to my front door and discovered something at my front door was making a noise. So I opened the door and went, oh! I then no longer felt scared. I felt then surprised to see it was a kitty who said, meow, at my front door on the dark, stormy night. So down here below this line, there's something missing. Our simple sentence. I wonder, what could we write here? I remember I felt so scared. And why did I feel scared? Because I heard a sound. I think the word sound should be in our sentence down here. Maybe, what's that sound? What's that scary sound? Oh, I think we have a sentence. I'm gonna say, what is that scary sound? And at the end of my sentence, I drew a question mark because when I was feeling scared, did I know what was making that sound? No. So as I read this, it says, what is that scary sound? It's a question. So that's why I added the question mark. Friends, thank you so much for listening to my story about feeling scared, but then surprised by the kitty cat at my front door. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see some of your stories soon.